Okay, hello my friends, and let me show you something what you never have seen before. First of all, this is not the Amazon's poster background, but this is the real tropical garden here in my place where I'm right now. It's in Costa Rica, and I'm doing those crazy dropshipping trainings from Costa Rica. And what I'm doing here is very interesting because I'm trying to, first of all, I'm trying this in a new way to work only 2 hours per day and to make six figures in 90 days. So, is it possible to make a six figure income in 90 days, which means 3 months, with eBay manual dropshipping? And I have done this before already, but not working 2 hours per day. Now I'm just I said okay, let me do this in another way. For example, if you are on vacation, like well, somewhere, I don't know, I don't like the beach videos, why? Because when you are like sitting on a beach with your laptop, I don't know if you realize, but you cannot see on the beach because sun is so bright and you can't see anything on the computer. So that's why I choose my garden. Okay, I have condo here. This is my condo here. And by the way, if you are looking for a good place where to buy a condos on the ocean, by the ocean, the Costa Rica is one of the places because you got pretty good prices on condos here. So I got a condo, and this is my tropical garden and beach. I have 5 minutes from here. Anyway, that's the story. Why I'm not on the beach? I can show you from the beach some videos as well. It's not, I will probably, but you most definitely not capable to work on internet on a beach because you cannot see because it's so bright sun, so bright screen. No right-minded people would work on the beach with computer. Never have seen here on the beach anybody even close to the beach with the laptop computers. And here are a lot of tourists in my town here, a lot of tourists. Okay, anyway, so here's the thing: 2 hours per day. If we work 2 hours per day with eBay dropshipping, can we make six figures in 90 days? And my answer is with the bigger letters, yes. And that's why I made new account on the 1st June, again on the 1st June, because June, July, August, 3 months are the most quiet months online because everybody is kind of like out. Even if the COVID is out there, it doesn't matter. Everybody is out there in vacations, holidays, something, summertime in most part of the world. Okay, and can you make really money during this quiet season? And let me show you why I can make money, and you can follow the simple system and you can do exactly the same. In this video, I will show you actually some trick now. Okay, just very simple trick from one tricks. I don't like those words terminology trick. It's not really a trick. When you were gonna keep watching the video, you were gonna see that that's not really a trick, or maybe it's a trick, whatever you want to call it, right? It's kind of like one of the strategies. It's just only one small strategy. When you do like popular, very popular things, totally opposite. Okay, this is what I teach in my training 799, and this is how you can make six figures. Six figures. Well, guys, come on. Six figures, what does it mean actually? It's roughly 8,500 per month, right? If you count 8,500 per month, 12 months, that's six figures, right? Is it a big money? $8,500 per month. That's not the big money in America. Come on, guys. I'm talking about America because we are selling in America. In America, on American eBay, okay? For some countries, $8,500 per year is a big money. Mm-hmm. For example, in my country, that would be pretty good money where I'm coming from. Okay, $8,500 per year. It would be pretty good money in America. For Americans, $8,500. It's not that big money. It is if you go work on a Walmart as a cashier, okay? But it's not when you do business online, okay? If you are in a third world country, like I'm coming from the third world country originally, in countries like a third world country or here in Costa Rica, it's crazy much money, 8,500. So basically, that's what I want to say. The bottom line is 8,500 is not a big money. So don't think that six-figure income is something like, oh my gosh, no, that's not possible. Try to change your mindset. It's not. You have to consider we are working on US ground. We are selling in America. We are doing American based business. Okay? So because we are selling on US. So let me show you this trick. Just one example again from my training, this trip. How and now what we got June 15, okay? I'm getting right now about 10 to 15 sales per day on a brand new account. Started 2 weeks ago, and the details are in the training. But this is I will try to document as much as I can because I don't want to make my holiday time like crazy. You know, I'm here for the vacations, guys. Anyway, so it's just but that's what I'm trying to do. Cut the videos, make my eBay work, and develop this and coach some private clients. What I still got. Okay, I don't do group coachings anymore because I'm in vacation, and private clients are my private clients. I always work with them, but 2 hours per day, eBay, and including those videos, what I'm doing here. That's how you can make easily six figures in 3 months, in 90 days. Why 90 days? I don't need 4 months. I don't need 120 days. No, and it's not possible to do in a 2 months, not in a 60 days. You can't do this in a 60 days. It's too short. Why is that? Maybe I will explain more details in another videos, but it's just very simple. Because there is, you should know this, there is a eBay restrictions for new sellers, and there are PayPal restrictions for new sellers. Okay, you have heard probably PayPal jail, 3 months PayPal jail. Okay, so it's connected with this, but I will not gonna go. We can work around that as well. There are workarounds. I promise you there is a workaround to get out of the PayPal jail much sooner, because the majority will gonna tell you no, this is the 20 days, so you got the 21 day, you got to hold your funds and stuff like this. This is a big BS. Okay, it's for the people who do traditionally dropshipping and don't even think that there should be workarounds on this. All the TBA tracking numbers, workaround, restrictions on PayPal, workaround. Dropshippers are the biggest enemies for eBay. Come on, guys, work around this, and we are the best friends for eBay. So all those things will be in a training, and I will show you how you can become a top-rated seller in a matter of few weeks, actually, and what products to list, what strategies to apply, how to use crazy, no promotion, no paid tools, no promotions, no, what else? No, nothing what you have to pay for. Like, you know, these systems like, oh, I will join this dropshipping, and then there is hidden fees, there are hidden tools, there are hidden softwares I have to implement. No, nothing. Okay, nothing to pay for. Everything is manual, and you don't do thousands. Oh, how can I post thousands of items to make this money? No, I will not gonna go over 70 active listings. I promise you. You will see my account from inside. Maybe I will do on a YouTube as well. On later on, not now, later on. But I will show you in some videos my inside from my account, what I'm creating. I will never ever go over 70 active items to make a six figures with 70 active items. Because this is the strategies and tactics what I apply. That's how you make money, actually, not wasting time. I didn't came here to waste my time, but spend my time and relax. And on the way, 2 hours per day, okay, I can teach you by the example, not by talking, but by example. Watch my example right now on this screen how you can, one of the tactics what I'm using. It's just one simple tactic, okay? I have plenty of them. And let me know what you think about this on a comment below, okay? And what else I can tell you? Yeah, that's pretty much. Just watch the video, okay? So this is the place where we stopped last time. We did very great title here, and we got very nice keywords. So, and I told you that we were going to be using only 3 keywords because this is what we do for the new listings. Okay, we use only 3 pictures, which means only 3 keywords, no more. And then we're gonna add 3 more when we start selling. Okay, so I think this is pretty clear. If not, just please go back to the previous video and watch. That's kind of like important. And now, how do we make those pictures? How do we make outstanding images? This is where we are targeting. You remember from the previous video, this was our main keyword. Okay, when I enter this keyword, that's what's gonna happen. Let's say here, and I will just do one more time. Instant boot fix shoe glue, booms, and we are appearing here 36 results, and all of them are nicely yellow with the crazy price, and we have good price. We're gonna sell. You see that the trick here is very interesting. This is yellow, okay? Our glue here is it's a red one, okay? So red and yellow, very nice opposition. So we were gonna do this extremely nice job. Let me explain how and why it's so effective. I really believe you will gonna make your sales drastically increase when you will separate yourself with the images. And this is what we do. You see, on Amazon you can see we have only like what? You see those pictures here. So what we basically do, we try not to use them. At least we will not gonna use the main picture. What I'm doing is I'm making my own pictures. This is what I do, like making such a screenshot because I have this MacBook, and then I go to next image like this one, and I will do again the same screenshot here, maybe one more. Okay, and then I'm using this photo editor, which is this is the photo editor I'm using, Pixel.com. Then you probably have your own, but this is just what I'm using. You see, it's very easy. You can move around those things, and then I put my logo, and then I found some shoe, some old worn shoe on a Google. Just Google it. Just type in a Google old shoe or boot or something like this, and then you get the pictures, and then you see you can I'm not gonna go in the details how to use it, but this will be my main picture. I want to, and you see how it will gonna be different from this one from all my competitors, the yellow ones here. You know what I mean? I'm outstanding immediately because this is I will gonna use for that picture those keywords here. You see those keywords I will be using for this picture. What I'm doing is when you download the picture, like put save here, this is where you put those keywords. Okay, here you put those keywords and with the dashes. It's just for the algorithm to read correctly what you want to say then. Okay, oops, sorry, that's my mistake. So very nicely this and download. That's it. And my picture is good to go. Okay, that was one picture. And I will gonna use this as a main picture because this is main picture with my main keywords. I got keywords on a picture, I got keywords on a title, I got keywords in the description, and I got keywords in the item specifics. How powerful is that? Did you got that? It's very simple. Separate yourself with the images. If you see that everybody else is doing yellow, standard Amazon images, whatever your supplier would be, run away from them and do totally opposite to outstand with the images. It's just about the pricing and stuff like this. Those things are, guys, so simple, so easy. You just need to think totally different as everybody else, and you're gonna make totally different income as everybody else. Okay, see you on the next video.